So like that, other one, some vibrations, right? Use amount of vibrations, all right? So like that, four parameters always you are going to be sensing in that particular room, right? If one parameter, right, whether gas or little bit fire or little bit moisture with the set value or vibration with set value is going to get no need to bother, right? Four parameters you are observing here, we set some value for this particular gas, right? You set some value, right? And for the fire you set some value, for the moisture set some value, vibration set some value. Even in this room also we have some fine atmospheric moisture, temperature, right, gas levels, and that particular vibration levels, for example. So up to some certain level everything is okay, beyond that particular levels, if something is get, that means what, something disturbance is going to takes place in that particular room, that's all, right? So if any disturbance will occur, we need to identify with some indication, right? So for that, how you when you going to be sense for this one, for example here one limit switch one I placed here, right, for the sense the gas, right, it's crossed some limit, it is going to be give some signal up to, and this is the limit switch 2 I used here. For this one limit switch 3 I written, for example, right, this one is I kept limit switch 4, I kept some limit values up to particular limit. This switch is giving 0, this switch is going to give 0, if cross that limit it is going to give 1, right? If fire, for the fire also we kept some temperature sensor, right, up to some limit it is switch is giving 0, after that it's going to give 1, like that. This is also for that limit, 0 out, high means it is above the limit, low means it is below the limit, high means it is the above limit, right? So like that, four switches, limit switches connected to the four parameter calculations, right, parameter value pickupping, right? So four limit switches corresponding to the gas, fire, moisture and vibration, giving signals to the PLC module. For example, if you get limit switch 1 high, limit switch 1 is going to be give high signal, means what, there is in the atmosphere this particular gas is going to be crossed the limit, that means what, it is going to be give danger, gas is above the required value, that means what, something disturbance is there in that particular field, right? In the similar way, limit switch 2 is giving 0 means fire is under the control, right? It's giving high means fire is above the limited value, that means it is some disturbance is there in the field. In the similar way, remaining two switches also giving the parameter value, moisture and vibration, right, whether it's these parameters are in the limit or above the limit, right? That particular process is going to be takes place in the fine atmosphere or not, is going to be observed by looking into this particular data coming out from these four switches, whether this atmosphere is, that means the process atmosphere is good or not, right? So now if we are going to write a program like this, right, if any one of the four is not under the control, right, no need to bother, right? First one is what, if any one of the four switches are the out of control, that means what, gas maybe some disturbance is there, remaining three are good means it's okay, no need to bother. For example, fire is little bit limited, cross limited, remaining all are okay means it's okay, right? No need to bother, right? Like that we are going to be plan to write a program, right? So no need to indicate, right? For example, any two are crossed the limit, any two are going to be crossed the limit, then you give some red violet light indication, right? If more than two, if three parameters are going to be crossed the limit, means then you need to give some serine sound. Serine sound, right? So if 4 are going to be out of control, 4 are going to be out of control, right? Then you need to give, you need to out, you need to communicate with fire department, fire department, fire department. That is my, that is the way I want to write a PLC programming, right? So no one in the field, right, to observe the value of these 4 parameters. To observe the 4 parameters, we placed 4 switches, 4 limit switches. 4 limit switches are going to give signal to the input module of the PLC, right? PLC only going to be execute the program, that is we are going to be write now, right? So that program I am going to write by keeping in my mind this idea. This idea means if any one parameter is going to be cross limit, I don't want to bother, right? So if 2 parameters are crossed the limit, then I want to give signal as red light indication, right? So if 3 inputs, that means 3 parameters are out of control, then I want to provide some serine sound, right? That little bit more danger, right? So now 4 are going to be out of control, then directly I want to intimate to the fire department. This is the way I am planning. For that I am going to write a PLC program. Maybe your idea is different, maybe, right? Once fire you want to communicate with fire department. If gas is there, you want to give some sound. If vibration is there, if you want to give other sound or other indication, like that also you can plan, right? My plan is like this, right? If one parameter is out of control, I don't want to bother. If 2 parameters are out of control, then I want to give some indication with the light, right? If 3 parameters are out of control, then I want to give some sound, right? If 4 parameters are out of control, then I want to communicate directly to the fire department. Like that I want to plan, right? For that I want to write a program for this particular PLC. Before writing programming for the PLC, we need to connect this particular sensors or switches to the input module of the PLC, and these actuators, 3 actuators here are there, those should be connected to the output module of the PLC, right? So right, this is what, this is another example to monitor the, right, process atmosphere in the industry, right? Process atmosphere in the industry, right? In industry, by looking into the parameters, that 4 parameters we are planning. How we are going to be connect now, right? This is the way you need to connect. Output module, it's going to be connected to the output module, right? So previously also we have seen input module, right? This one is the output module, right? So how many inputs are there? 4 inputs are there, right? You know, ground terminal is there, right? As well as power supply terminal is there. In between 8 terminals are there. For 8 terminals, along 8 terminals, you consider 4 terminals, right? 4 terminals. For the first terminal, you connect one proximity switch here, right? One proximity switch here. That is, I am going to say that this is the limit switch. Limit switch you are going to be connect here. Limit switch 1 I connected here, right? So its address is I 0.0. That means to the first terminal, limit switch 1 is going to be connected. It is going to give value of the gas, right? And other limit switch second I am going to connected. Limit switch 2 is connected to the maybe I 0.3, right? Other limit switch I am going to connect normally open type only, right? This one I am going to connect it to the I 0.6, right? Other limit switch I am going to connect, right, to the I 0.7. Maybe this is the power supply, right? This power supply is going to be connected like this as a line voltage to this particular sensors, right. So limit switch 3, limit switch 4, limit switch 4, right. 4 switches are going to be connected to the 4 terminal of the input module, right. In the similar way, this is the power supply terminal, this one is the ground terminal, in between 8 terminals are there, right. In between 8 terminals are there, right. First output terminal 0.0 and other terminal, fourth terminal I consider, other terminal, eighth terminal I consider, right. For this particular first terminal, I connected red light, right. I connected red light here, right. For the fourth terminal, I connected some siren, right, some sound device. This one I want to communicate with fire department, right. So this is the way we need to connect input sensor 4 switches to collect the 4 parameter values. I connected to the 4 terminal of the input module like this, I 0.0, I 0.3, I 0.7, I 0.6 and I 0.7. So here three indications are there, for 3 indications, right. For red light, this one Q 0.0, for sound 0.3, for the fire department 0.7, right, 4 outputs, right. So for this, what I have to do, right, if any one input, any 2 inputs are high, if all are zeros, no one should be on. That means no need to indicate, no need to sound, no need to communicate with fire department. If any 2 inputs are high, then I want to on red light, right. If any 3 inputs are high, then I want to give some siren sound, right. This is the red pilot light, right. So if 3 inputs are high, then we need to give sound. If 4 inputs are high, then we need to give signal to the fire department. This is the way I want to write a program. Here I want to write a program in such a manner that if any 2 inputs are high getting from the field, that means what? 2 parameters are crossed the limit. Then what will happen? It needs to give red light. If 3 inputs are high, it needs to give some sound. That means this output should be high, right. If 4 are high, this should be high, right. So like that we need to write a program. Right. So now we are writing ladder logic for this particular application. Write a program like this, right. How we are going to be connected? For I 0.0, limit switch 1, right. Then see I 0.0 limit switch 1, 0.3 limit switch 2, 0.6 and 7 limit switch 3 and 4, right. I 0.3 is the limit switch 2, right. I 0.6 limit switch 3, right. I 0.7 limit switch 4, right. This is giving the value of gas, right. This is the giving the fire. This is going to give the value of what? Moisture, right. This one is going to give value of what? Vibration parameter, right. So whether it's in the set below the set value or above set value. Below set value, these are all going to be zeros. Above set value, correspondingly these values are going to get high, right. In the output case, what we are connected for 0.0, it is going to be connected to the red light. For output, here you can see 0.0 red light, 3 siren sound, 7 fire department, 0.3, that means fourth terminal is going to give siren sound, right. Q 0.7 is going to be connected to the fire department, right. So now we need to write a logic for this particular operation, right. This is the positive rail, this one is the ground rail, right. How you need to write a program? First first thing is, if any two inputs are high, any two inputs are high, that means what? Any two inputs are out of control. Out of control. It should be on. What should be on? Right. Red light should be on. That means what? Q 0.0 should be high. Right. This red pilot light, right, is going to be on. Right. Once any two inputs are high. Any two inputs means this three. This, say, you can say these two, right, or these two, or this two, or this two, or this two, or this two, right. These are the combination. Any two inputs are high, this should be sound. This should be indicate the red light. This red pilot light should be on, right. That means what? I 0.0 and I 0.3, right. I 0.0 and I 0.3 are C. Very simple, right. I 0.0 and I 0.6, right. In the similar way, see here, I 0.3 and I 0.7, I 0.7, right. Other two is what? Combination. I 0.3, sorry, this one is I 0.3, I 0.0 and 0.6, I 0.0, I 0.7, right. Then I 0.3 and this one I 0.3 and I 0.3 and I 0.7, right. This one I 0.3 and I 0.6, right. Then I 0.3 and I 0.7, 0.7. Other two are what? Other two combination is what? I 0.6 and I 0.7, 0.6 and I 0.7, right. See here, first combination I 0.0, I 0.3, I 0.0, I 0.6, I 0.0, I 0.7. This combination, right. Three combination, right. And second one I 0.3, I 0.6, I 0.3, I 0.7, right. Last one I 0.6 and I 0.7. These are the possible combinations. Any two are high, then red light should be on. Red light should be on, right. So other one, if any three are on, then what will happen? It should be give surround sound. It should be give surround sound, right. Any three. Right. Any three. What are the combination? Is possible combination? Any three possible combination? Right. See here. Any three means this one, this one, this one, or this one, this one, this one, right. And this one, this one, this one, or this one, this one, this one, right. So like that we need to write. So here I 0.0, right, I 0.3, right, I 0.6. This one combination, then this one I 0.0, I 0.3, right, then I 0.7, right. So next combination, then what? So this one, this combination, right, I 0.3, I 0.6, I 0.7, this combination. Then other combination is what? 3 is this one, 0.0, 0.6 and 0.7. I 0.0, I 0.6, I 0.7, I 0.7, right. So if any three are on, then what will happen? this one Q 0.3. Surround sound you need to give 0.3, 0.3, right? If all are on, that means what? If all are 1 active I, then what you have to give? This one is going to become Q 0.7. It's going to be I. This is going to give surround sound, right? Surround sound. This one is going to be intimated to fire department. See here. This is I 0.0. This one is the I 0.3. This one is the I 0.6. This one is the I 0.7. Right? If all are ones, then this normally open contacts, 4 open contacts is going to be activated. That is it is going to be activate output fire department. If any 3 combination is activated, then it is going to give surround sound to the going to be activated. If any 2 is going to be activated, right, red light, pilot light is going to be activated. Like that, we need to write a program. This is the program of 3 rungs to activate the output device according to our input data. So my plan is like that. For that plan, I written program like this, right? Just go through this particular combination. It's very simple, right? So you just practice here, right? How many combinations are possible with 2 input data and how many combinations are possible with 3 input data. That's only key point to write this particular program according to our requirement of process control, right? The process control may be in different. If you want to control in the different way, you need to write a program in different way. But our task is what? 4 parameters we are picking from the process field, right? If 2 parameters are out of control, give red light. If 3 parameters are out of control, give surround sound, right? If 4 parameters are out of control, indicate to the fire department. That is our intention, right? For that I written logic, ladder logic, right? For this I written logic, right? See here, this is the hardware connection. Here I written program, whatever the program I written, right? That is for this. This is the way to indicate this particular, indicate outputs. For that I written program based on this particular input data. If all are in open condition, then what? 3 are going to be off only. Right? If any 2 are closed, right? If any 2 switches are closed, correspondingly it's going to be activate red light, right? If any 3 inputs are closed, that means giving signal, right? Then it is going to be give surround sound. If 4 are closed, normally open contacts are closed, it's going to be indicate to the fire department. For that I written program, right? This is the program for that application. Thank you. This is the one example, right? Like this, for any process control in the industry, you can first what process you want to control, right? For that, first you need to draw some sketch, right? Then sequence of events we need to write. You need to write sequence of events. Then we need to place sensors and actuators correspondingly, right? Then in the 4th step, those sensors and actuators should be connected to the PLC module, right? Then and the next step, you need to connect program monitor to the CPU. Then you need to write a program, right? For that particular program, right, you give address, right? For what terminal you connected sensors and actuators, according to that you need to give address. Once you give address, that program is going to be executed and it's going to be controlled the way you want to control based on the written program, right? Thank you.